Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by ensuring you have an external drive or network share with enough free space. Windows won't warn until full. Once you have admin rights, plug in the drive and unlock it. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup. Click Add a Drive and select your target. This automatically enables file history for user folders. You can customize what's protected. Make sure to set a schedule if you prefer hourly or daily backups, and confirm the destination path before proceeding. Next, customize what gets backed up by clicking more options under Backup and adding or removing folders. This controls disk usage. If you need a full OS snapshot, open Control Panel, go to Backup and Restore Windows 7, and create a system image to the same or another drive. Start the backup and monitor progress in Settings. Look at the last successful run and file version history. Once done, label drives and note the date of the image so you can find the correct restore point later. To restore, use Restore Personal Files from File History to pick versions and return documents to their original locations. This is fast and selective. If Windows won't boot, create recovery media via Create a Recovery Drive and use it to access System Image Recovery, choose the saved image, and follow prompts to overwrite the disk. If you hit errors, make sure the backup drive is formatted NTFS, cables are secure, and your account has permissions. Reconnect and retry, and consider copying the image to another drive for validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.